We're coming up on our 100th anniversary here at Hopewell Elementary School, which we're super excited about. But with that, certainly, is an aging building. The original part of the building clearly is 100 years old. The other part of the building was built in the late 60s. With that, systems are failing, leaks are happening, AC and heating is spotty. One example that we have is systems failing here at Hopewell Elementary Schools. In our primary wing, our air conditioning units are set up kind of in a series, so when one goes out, they all kind of go out, which obviously doesn't help our students in the rest of the hallway. Specifically in our primary wing at Hopewell Elementary School, we're coming up on almost 60 years of it being built. So certainly with those things, aside from the actual structure itself, but the doors are older. We're hopefully looking to upgrade those doors so they're, there's a better fire rate on it. There's a security glass in it. They automatically shut. Also, the air conditioning units and the heating and cooling in that hallway. And our kindergarten classrooms, they're pretty much the original bathrooms. The ADA accessibility, we're looking to upgrade that, make sure we're, supporting all of our students. The community comes to these campuses, whether they're in the classrooms or they're visiting the playground or they're just using the fields on Saturdays for our recreational soccer. It is the heart of the community. People grew up here, people come back here, people raise their families here, and that's something that I think, when you're looking at the foundation of Hopewell Valley Regional School District, it comes from Hopewell Borough. I mean, I might be biased in saying that, but certainly I just think that not having maybe a child that comes in the building or is not a student of the building, it's still a part of this community, this great community that I think, is certainly a special place.